My name is Dominik Pogorzelski. I'm the VP of Product at restb.ai. Basically what restb.ai is, so we're a computer vision company, but we specialize in image recognition for real estate. So essentially, if you send an image to our API, our technology is able to analyze the image and tell you very precisely what's in the image, but with information that's very relevant to real estate. So for example, we'll say this image is a living room, and this living room has a fireplace, high ceilings, natural light, hardwood floors, and this type of very precise and meaningful information. So we're headquartered out of Barcelona, Spain. We're opening up an office in Dallas as well, but all the kind of action happens in Barcelona. So why would a company based out of Spain be interested in US data standards? Well, obviously, what happens in the US trickles down, everywhere across the world. So obviously, having a presence in the US is crucial if you really want to make a name for yourself. So the way I kind of see it is it's all about mass adoption. And we're working on, bleeding edge technology, and being at the forefront of innovation. It's amazing, but the impact that your technology can have is only as great as your ability to bring mass adoption to your technology. And I think this is where RESO plays a key factor, because essentially not only is it a great medium to talk to all the key players in the real estate industry in the US, but through their kind of standardization process, they actually allow you to talk to them using the same language. And that I think is what really can drive mass adoption, and mass adoption leads obviously to to expansion and to growth and to all the success that comes with that. It obviously requires a little bit of changes from our side, because coming from a European background, moving into the US, we had to realign ourselves with the RESO data dictionary, with the RESO standards. But I think it is a very necessary step to do if you really want to tackle the US market, especially because, like I said, it's about mass adoption. If you're able to speak the same language with all the different players across the industry, then you're eliminating friction points that allow you to get to market that much faster. What advice would I have for other international companies? First and foremost, RESO is the place to be. Definitely make sure that you have a presence here, that you connect with the people at RESO. Not only do they have great knowledge, very deep knowledge about the real estate industry, but they're also just great people. Honestly, everyone we've talked to here are just really fun to talk to, very open-minded. I think they, at the core of it, I think they just are very passionate about making a difference in the real estate market, and kind of really taking that whole real estate market, which is obviously a huge industry with a lot of legacy technology, but bringing that really to the next level of market adoption, and really pushing the envelope of where that industry can go. What tools I've used to leverage RESO standards? Obviously, being part of the different work groups has been very helpful. Being a member and getting access to the Confluence page is very helpful also in terms of following all the different standards. It is a very big industry, therefore it does have a lot of different moving pieces that need to be standardized. So it is a huge, I think, endeavor to take on. So hats off to everyone who's been involved in this. But yeah, definitely through Confluence, through the different meetings that we've had, through the conferences that we come to, talking to people, I think it's helped us tremendously. Why is RESO worth our time and effort? It's the place to be, to meet people, the who's who's of our real estate industry, and to be able to speak the same language to everyone within the industry, and basically to help you get to mass adoption as quickly as possible.